A doctor, exhausted and beaten by COVID. So too an entire health service. We are inside a public hospital in Delhi, the capital of a wealthy nation, where among the many medicines and remedies in short supply is hope.
We all are fighting a war and we are all a part of it.
We asked those closest to the crisis to keep a diary. Theirs are terrifying testimonies.
The world around us is filled with grief. News of lack of oxygen, lack of beds, lack of medications, lack of a proper place to give a good funeral to your loved ones. It's tragic.
It is very painful to really see the patients dying, young and old, all are dying. And really it is causing a lot of trouble, a lot of mental torture to us.
I at least try to sit at their bedside, making them, making it a little easier for them to pass away with someone next to them.
To the parent or a partner of a 32-year-old man or a woman that their partner, their child is no more, is a pain that's really numbing.
And for every patient who secures a bed, there are many, like Mustafa Ansari, who suffer at home. He's now stuck outside a hospital in Patna, guarded by police who turn people away. His nephew tells us they've driven 40 miles. We've been here for 2 hours, he says. No doctor has come. I don't know where else to go. Delhi is now in lockdown, and yet elsewhere, elections went ahead today. And rallies like this by the governing party have been blamed for spreading the virus. Even so, India's rulers reject the twin accusation of complacency and complicity.
We did not expect at different levels the severity and the extent of the endemic, and therefore there are certain issues, gaps which could have been filled, but there are certain important initiatives which have helped India to tide over this crisis also.
In Mumbai, an emergency hospital has opened. More than 2,000 beds. It's vast in size, yet dwarfed by the scale of the emergency, say those dealing with it every minute of every day.
There is death everywhere. The patients and the doctors treating them, we both feel the system has abandoned us.
John Ray, News at 10.